If you take your hijab off, you will win this iPhone.
Never.
Would you do it?
Astaghfirullah, never.
Astaghfirullah, never. Why not? Why not?
Because hijab is everything, and nothing in the world will make me take this off.
Whoa, mashallah, alhamdulillah.
Nothing, yeah.
Nothing. Like
Nothing.
even if, okay, 10,000 pounds on the iPhone, you wouldn't take your hijab
Never.
off.
Never. Not even a billion.
Never, not even a billion. Oh my God. Okay, let's ask someone like. Assalamu alaikum. You Muslim?
Yes, I am.
I can tell from your hijab. That's why I stopped you. And I got a challenge for you.
Okay.
Yeah. If you do it, you will win this iPhone. This will be to you.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Do you want to know what's the challenge?
Tell me.
Okay. The challenge is you have to take your hijab off.
Oh my goodness.
If you take it off and you show me your hair, you will win this iPhone 12 Pro Max. I promise you it's gonna be you.
Oh, that is insane. How can you ask me to do something like that?
It's a challenge. It's just a challenge. Would you do it?
No, I can't do that. This hijab is such a big part of me. I can't just take it off for a phone.
Why not? Why?
Because it's such a big part of who I am. It's been such a big part of my religion. It's something I've worn for so long. I can't just take it off for a phone.
So you would say no for the iPhone. How about other one? I'll give you £5,000 with this iPhone if you take it off.
As tempting as it says, I think the reward is going to be greater in Jannah. So I might have to pass.
In Jannah. So what do you think? Maybe we found someone else who... let me see someone else. Excuse me. Excuse me. You Muslim? Yes, come in. Just there is a come in. We're just doing a YouTube video there. Would you want to be on YouTube?
Okay, it's fine.
It's fine, yeah? Okay. I got a challenge for you.
What's your name?
My name is Yusuf Kabani. It's just a YouTube video. I have 2 million followers on YouTube. And I'm just doing like a challenge, you know. If you do the challenge, you will win this iPhone 12 Pro Max.
A challenge?
Yeah, a challenge.
This is fake thing.
No,
Do you think I actually believe this kind of stuff?
You don't believe it? Okay, I'll show you. I'll show you, huh? Can you see this iPhone?
Fake.
It's gold. You can't take it off, huh? Take it off. Brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max. Can you see it? Even that sticker is still on. Yeah?
And that, what do we have to do to fly for it or something?
You have to do one thing. If you do it, yeah?
Yes, I am.
Oh,
Nice to
okay.
meet you.
Okay. You have to take your hijab off. If you take it off, you will win this iPhone 12 Pro Max. She said no. What would you say?
You have more in it. Did you do it?
I said no, I can't do this. There's no point doing this.
I mean, to be honest, I'm wearing it for fun. Like,
You weren't for fun.
yeah, I don't
What
really
do you mean, like you?
You're
not Muslim?
No, because it was cold. Like, I am Muslim, yeah, but it was cold, so that's why I wore it.
Whoa, so you're gonna take your hijab off for an iPhone?
Like if you're wearing it, like you can't just take it off just because it's warm and you want to win this.
Why
You're
not?
wearing this for sawab. You're getting so many benefits of wearing this. You can't just take it off for a phone. Like, there's so much more, like in terms of Jannah, than just taking it off for a phone.
Yes, but this is an iPhone 12 Pro Max. You know my phone is very bad. I can't even use it.
Yeah, but honestly, like the reward is so much greater. Like there's no point for a phone today.
Yes, but I can make these rewards like after, you know, is I have an entire life.
What do you think? What do you think?
Phone that you're gonna have. No, don't take
I will
it off.
She's taking it off. What do you think?
No, you shouldn't do that. Like
You shouldn't do this.
It's silly to take it off. If you want to take it off for yourself, that's different. But for a phone, it's just pointless. You're just showing that money is more important than God, and surely God is more important.
You taking your hijab for an iPhone?
Yes,
Oh my God, what's your reaction for this?
No, you can't. You shouldn't do this.
promise me you're gonna give me the iPhone 12 Pro Max.
Okay, what do you think? She's taking it off now.
I don't
What,
think
you're
you
not gonna
should.
do anything about it?
Like, what can I do? Like, you can't do this for money. Oh my
I took it
goodness.
off.
She took it off. She took it off. What do you think?
Okay, I put it back. Yeah, you seen me, yeah? Okay, that's it.
What do you think? She
I
took
think
it off.
it was pointless for like a phone. It's
You can have
nothing.
the phone now.